Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see brush names in Photoshop. If you've ever opened a brush picker and only seen tiny icons with no labels, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to find a specific brush quickly. Luckily, Photoshop has a simple setting that lets you display brush names alongside the thumbnails. This makes navigating large brush libraries much easier. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and if this quick Photoshop tip helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. First, select the brush tool. The fastest way to do this is by pressing the B key on your keyboard. Once the brush tool is active, move to the top options bar and click on the small brush preview icon. This opens the brush picker where all your brushes are displayed. Now look for the small gear icon in the brush panel. Click that gear icon to open the brush panel settings. In the menu that appears, change the view mode. Instead of the default icon view, choose either large list or small list. As soon as you select one of these options, Photoshop will display each brush with both the thumbnail and the brush name. This makes it much easier to identify brushes, especially if you have installed custom brush packs, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly show brush names in Photoshop so you can find the exact brush you need without guessing from icons. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.